got a great 64 Ford Galaxie, R code, 500. Super strong nut and bolt restoration. Got the electric cutoffs, power 4-wheel disc brakes. Just unbelievable restoration on this. 427, 4.25 horse. He has the electric cutouts. Just love this car. The ram air through the headlights. The power 4-wheel disc brakes was added. Just a stellar car. Camera here in the back, don't mind that. Laser straight. Fiberglass hood, fenders, and front bumper. So it was built as a lightweight when it was restored, but it is a factory 427 R code. It does have the electric cutouts on it. You can loud it up. You can actually quiet her down. Just nice restoration. Everything on the car is functioning. Factory radio, factory clock, owner's manual, got the lights, and that is the cutoff right down there. Really quiet her down. But an excellent running and driving. Just look at the attention to the detail on this. Just a stellar restoration. All the chrome. Absolutely fantastic. All the bright work on the car. I only saw 2 tiny chips, but you can see just very nice. The package tray. We just wiped it down. We're still doing a full detail. Do a paint correction on every vehicle. This one will be extremely light because the paint is extremely nice already. So there's a few little, from a car cover maybe getting pulled, just tiny little scratches in the clear coat. We're going to get taken out, but yeah, you gotta love this car. Pick up the phone, call 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. There's the VIN in there. But just the attention to detail. There is a tiny chip there and a tiny chip there. We're going to hit that address, and there was one tiny chip there. Other than that, it is nice. I mean, it's a no disappointment vehicle. Yeah. All the chrome and stuff just on the back grill. Air, new light. We'll take it for a spin. Just hold that right up there. Go down the road. Emergency brake works. Very strong running car. Wipers, blower motor, heater, defrost, wipers, horn. Yeah, it's a turnkey vehicle. Car gets up and goes. www.westportautocenter.com. Fly in, forward us your itinerary. We'll pick you up from the airport, take it out for a ride, put up on a lift, make sure it's a good fit. We're in Fenton, Missouri, suburbs of St. Louis. That's Westport Auto Center.